Right, now in the first part of this tutorial I showed you how to grab our specific properties from our uploaded file using this form here, and now what I'm going to do is show you how to in fact actually upload this file and transfer it over to our uploaded folder here, which currently has nothing in. Because if you remember, at the moment we're working from a temporary area that is being stored on our web server, and this is in fact useless at the moment. So we've got all our properties up here, so I'm going to type properties of the file or uploaded file so we know what we're doing. So we've got all our specific properties here. I've given them all memorable or easy to realise what they are variable names, so we don't need to comment each of these individually. And the first thing we're going to do is create an if statement. Now what this is going to do is check if there are any errors. So what we can do is, if error is bigger than 0, meaning if the error code is bigger than 0, meaning that it has been issued with an error code, then we can say, let's say die, and we'll give an error message out, file could not, or error uploading file code error. Okay, and that will basically give the user an error code. Okay, otherwise what we want to do, I'm just going to get rid of these curly brackets to keep that single line a bit simpler. Otherwise what we want to do is we want to use a function called move uploaded file, and what we're going to do is take the temporary name, so we have that already, that's temp, that's the first parameter of this function, and the other one is the destination. So at the moment what that is it's our uploaded folder, so that's going to be in our uploaded folder, so you just type uploaded and /, and on the end of that we're going to concatenate the name of the file that we've uploaded. So here it would just be name. So really this shows the use of just adding these into variables here, otherwise we'd have had to type these, say like temp name would have had to go here in place of this, and it gets quite messy and quite hard to read, so it's easier to just keep these in variables. Okay, so what we can do now is get rid of them, or rather what I'm going to do is keep these, because what I want to do is echo out a thing saying, let's say upload complete. Okay, so we'll log back onto our page and we'll pick our file. I'm going to pick intro.avi, I'm going to click upload, and I can see that upload complete. If I come into my file upload folder and click on my uploaded subdirectory, we can see that that's been put there, whereas before it was stored in a temporary directory on my web server. So we've basically successfully uploaded our file here. Now there's a few more things that we need to do. Is under another if statement, or under this if statement, we're going to check for specific file types we don't want uploaded. So for example, say I didn't want AVI files to be uploaded, what I could do is here say if error is bigger than 0, don't upload files. Otherwise I'm going to start a new if statement inside here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create my block, and these are the conditions for the file. Okay, so inside here I'm going to say if the type of file, so that's our type variable, so that's typ, equals, and here we're going to say movie, or is it video? Yeah, video AVI. So if the type equals video.avi, as you saw in the first part of this, as I echoed it out, it was equal to video.avi, then we at the moment we're saying if it is equal to video.avi, then upload the file. But what I want is I'll take this down here and I'll put that into the else block. I'm going to say if the video is equal to AVI, then die, and I'm going to say that format is not allowed. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this from my uploaded directory, and I'm going to come back to my initial uploaded file. I'm going to choose my intro.avi, I'm going to click upload, and it says that format is not allowed. And if we go back to my uploaded directory, we can see that the folder is empty. Nothing's been uploaded. So let's say instead of AVI I wanted to ban, let's say, images with the PNG extension, and I was to come back here and upload my file again. You can see that because it's an accepted file, we've got an upload complete and it's been transferred to my uploaded folder. Okay, let's delete that again. Oh, I've cancelled it. Let's delete that again. Okay, right, so what we've seen here is that we can specify a specific type. Now what we can also do is specify a specific file size. So I'm going to say OR, using this OR operator, and I'm going to say OR the size is bigger than, let's say, half a megabyte. This is half a megabyte, that's 500,000 bits, or 500,000 bytes. Sorry, I think I made that mistake in the start. I said bits. This is in fact bytes. So that's 500,000 bytes, which is about 0.4 megabytes. Well, I'm just going to say half a megabyte for now. And this will basically evaluate the size and say, is it bigger than half a megabyte? And then it will say this format is not allowed. So I'm going to change this to accommodate. I'm going to say format not allowed, or file size too big. So you can really create an if statement for each of these, say for evaluating your type and evaluating your size. You just need to take this condition and put it into another if statement. So I'll go back here, I'll choose my file again, just so we're sure that it's there, click upload, and I say format not allowed. Now if we go back to our thing, this is not in a PNG image format, but it is in fact exceeding the size limit. If I was to change this to 2 million, which is 2 megabytes, and we refreshed and resent that, we can see that our upload has been completed because this is only 1 megabyte in size. Okay, so that's basically it for the file upload. This is all you really need to know. I mean, you can use these to keep out specific file types and file sizes that might be too large for your web server. If you don't want big files on your website server, it's a good way to control. It's very easy to create, as you've seen. Learn all this and you'll be quite impressed with how useful this can be. Okay, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please subscribe if you want to be notified on any updated videos or any new videos. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.